Hello everyone, and welcome to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. My name is Freddie. Today I'm going to share with you an arrangement hack that will get you out of the loop phase. If you're a beginner producer or you just commonly find yourself stuck in the loop phase and don't know where to go, this is for you. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I made this track for the purpose of this video, and I got to a very basic loop. This is where most producers find themselves getting stuck. They stack tracks, and then they just don't know where to go. The obvious thought is to keep adding more, but there's a better solution for you. So let's get into my session and check it out. All right, so here's a basic loop. I'm going to turn everything on so I can show you just how busy it is as it is. It doesn't look like there's a lot going on, but it already sounds busy. You can see we've got drums, we've got this bass line, we've got these chords playing, we've got this little chopped sample, and then these vocal chops, and a lot's going on. There isn't a lot of tracks, but just a lot's going on. Let me play you the core theme of the track just without the instruments and the vocals. And you can see that's grooving. That's nice. I like that. Yeah, that's nice. So one of the problems that beginners often face is they get to this phase and they just don't know what to do. They're obviously thinking, I got to add more, I got to add more. That's not the core answer to the solution all the time. So let me show you this trick. One of the things that I do is I have a folder of references, and I do reference a lot of different producers' tracks. And let's go ahead and pick this Fisher song he's one of the biggest DJs right now, and it's a huge song. So one thing you might be saying, oh, you're copying somebody's arrangement. That's what you're going to do. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. But it is not something that most people will realize what you did. And you're not fixated to this arrangement. It's just to get you out of the loop phase and to get you a core process and a roadmap to where you need to finish. And really, it gets you a good skeleton. So let me show you an example. I'm going to go ahead and solo this track and play this. And if I right click and add locator, I can just start naming what these sections are. So here's a breakdown. You could leave notes. This is still the breakdown. There's the drop. So I know now there's a build up here. I could even put build up if I want. Build. From the looks of this, here's another breakdown, another drop. Boom. And so I'm just going through the track and marking this all up. Breakdown, and there's the drop. Boom. Okay, and here we have the bass line, just solo. And then we're back to drums. And then here we are out. This is the end. Now I've got a fully marked up track and a fully marked up arrangement. I can see how he arranged this song. This will help get you ideas and get you better at arrangement. You could see, an example here. This is a 40 bar breakdown, not your standard 32, something a little bit different, a little longer. And so you can pick up on some of these tricks. If there's like an extended bar or two, you can see what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and take my loop now and just duplicate this into the framework that we just laid out. And look, so obviously mine extends further. You could simply just delete that. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shrink this all up, and I'm going to open up my kicks, and I'm just going to, during these breakdowns, I'm just going to take the kicks out. Boom. That's it. Now, okay, so we don't need the bass in the beginning. We don't need the bass at the end. And we probably don't need the bass in the breakdowns. So let's go ahead and take them out there. And from here, what I could do is I could play with some of the percussion, take some of this in and out, or I could look at some of these instruments and I could say, well, you know what? I don't need the instruments and the vocal chops playing in the beginning or the end. And I want to mimic something he's doing. Maybe I just want to drop with that bass line. So I'm going to take all this out and then maybe bring this in here. Oh, these vocal chops are not turning off. I'm sorry about that. Let's do that again. Now, to give it some space, I might do something like this. Okay, and I'll just leave this running. Take these chords out. Boom. And you can see I'm not even playing the track yet. So here we have our drums. Breakdown. Take this out. Boom. Bass line. Maybe we take these vocal chops out. And I should unmute these for you. I apologize. Drums. Breakdown. This is supposed to be a build, so I could drop there if I wanted to, but I didn't sequence this correctly. But you see how easy this makes it. Boom. Now maybe I want to just put those vocals back. Okay, there we go. And I want to drop without vocals. Maybe I want to just bring this in and bring these vocals in right here, so I could take this section. If I wanted to just drop it like this. Breakdown, drop, break. And this is not fixed, you know, this has just gotten me a skeleton. If you take a look, 5 minutes ago, we were at a loop, and now we have almost a fully fleshed out skeleton, which really gets us progressing very fast. Now I can figure out, okay, I might need to go work on some vocals. I need to get some instruments. I need to put some effects. I need more percussion, but I have a very basic structure, and I can start working from here and filling in the blanks rather than just being stuck and not knowing where to go. I don't have to go and follow this arrangement. I could still move these markers around. Say if I wanted to add, say, a 2-bar bridge before this drop, you know, I can do that. But that didn't work, sorry. Boom. And I'm just getting ideas from the Fisher tracks. So this is a great hack, and it can really speed up your production process. So that's my arrangement hack for you. If you're a beginner and you get stuck in the loop phase, this one will really help you out. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date on future videos. If you have any questions about this, please shoot me a comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.